Meaning of harp seal.
Harp seal.
Harp seal.
Harp seal.
Harp seal. The harp seal, Pagophyllus groenlandicus, is a species of earless seal native to the northernmost waters of the Atlantic Ocean and adjacent parts of the Arctic Ocean. They are named for their distinctive black harp-shaped markings on their backs. Harp seals are an important part of the Arctic food chain, serving as a primary food source for several predators including polar bears, orcas, and humans. Their population is currently stable but threatened by climate change and commercial hunting. They have a lifespan of up to 30 years in the wild and feed primarily on small fish and crustaceans.